How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Gonna have a really quick look at Moss Carbon, and just to note that from my last video we didn't make it back to 973. We actually put the bottom in at 980. Put the bottom in 980, then we retested it. We had a little move. We've been rejected by the imaginary trend line. This isn't actually a level of resistance at all. This is just something that filters clean through from the low to the high for the move on the Fibonacci, and I'll just pull out to the daily to show you that. It basically is just a trend line. They have no significant resistance or support on them, but it's amazing how often you'll see a token stick to these things like glue. So basically what to look for now is breaking above the trend line randomly, and we have got two levels of significant resistance to break above, and the first one is at 1091, and then we've got the next one at 1120. Now, for those of you that have been following my videos for, I don't know, probably weeks now, you know, 1120 has always been our sort of like our go zone. Significant support was there, and as it's been significant support, it probably is going to act as significant resistance now, because it's only really been in the last 2 days that we've been below it. And we did kind of lose it with ease, if I'm being honest. This thing just wanted to go lower. So yeah, it's not looking bad for a move. It's been looking bad. It has been looking bad for a number of days now. To be honest, we did have a good amount of consolidation, and we should have, in my opinion, moved higher. But what we could be looking at is the swing move here. So I think if each time this thing has moved like significantly, we've had this sort of like swing pattern, almost like you're drawing a tick. So you bounce down and shoot up, and we've seen it twice on the most recent significant moves. So is this now what's playing out? That we've had our period of consolidation, we've had a swing, and next is the launch? Quite possibly. Not guaranteed, not financial advice. We do have a couple of significant price zones to get through. 1117, 1120 is the key to break above. But once we do, the next stop would be 1319, and then yeah, we should be good for continuation. I'm going to do another video later on today, and it's going to have my old historic charts attached to it with the zones of interest. But for now, we just kind of need to break above these two resistance zones. Where are we? 1093, and I'm going to say 1120. So let's just pull back to the hourly and see what we're doing. Yeah, so we might actually stick to this trend line until we get to the 1093 zone, and then we'll have a little launch. I'm just going to chuck the Ishimoku cloud in. I think we're significantly below it on the hourly. Oh no, we're at, there you go. Right, so I looked at this one last night and I realised that we were significantly lower than the Ishimoku. Right, game changing. We're at it. What to look for now is, actually bear with me, I just want to see how long we've been downturning for. Okay. Right, what to look for now? Being rejected by the cloud and tailing down with it until we go in, break above, and then have a little period of consolidation and a launch. I'm going to mark that blue because it's viable, but I think that we've been down here long enough now. So I think we're going to come into the cloud, test the bottom, test the top, have a pullback and a little launch, and I think that's going to take us yeah, going to take us up to circa the 1170 resistance. If it holds, it would be great to see, but I think that what realistically is going to happen, whether it be in the next 5-6 hours or whether it's over the next 2 days, we're going to either attach to the cloud before a break higher or an imminent break higher. But I think we're going to, this is the bullish part, I think we are going to hold support above 1090, hopefully above 1120, and then just have a little sideways consolidation and a nice little giga launch. That's not financial advice, that's just what I'm expecting to play out. I am holding, I have held all the way through the downturn, purely for the fact that when this thing goes, it really does go with strong momentum. So just if anyone's querying their positions, you always have to do what's right for you. But on a personal note, I think, yeah, I've been riding this one all the way down, which is very rare that I'll do that with a token. But I think I said it in a previous video, I will always hold a little bag of MCO2 just because of what I think they're going to be doing in the future, and I do not want to miss that. So bring on the burns, bring on the token reductions, and we're going to see some moves. But yeah, I'm short term very bullish, and I do expect us to get back up to this zone and hold some support there. All right, best of luck. See you on the next one.